If you're enjoying the content and want to stay in the loop with the Crypto Plug News, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about one of today's topics in the comment section below. The Crypto Plug News with 5-time Emmy Award-winning anchor Benjamin Price. Fundamental analysis, Justiano Sanchez.
My friends call me Just
Sanchez. Technical analysis by Clarence Kenneth Lawrence Richardson III. And our reporter in the field, ASAP. It's the Crypto Plug News team at 6 o'clock. This week on the Crypto Plug News, how much would you pay for unreal real estate? Virtual land in the metaverse sells for millions. Then, want it, you got it. China's official cryptocurrency comes to WeChat, the country's biggest messaging app. And LooksRare looks promising. New NFT marketplace LooksRare looks to unseat OpenSea, recording a sales volume of almost 400 million in its first 3 days. But how many of these sales are actually legitimate sales? And will any NFTs traded on LooksRare be from Gap's new Frank 8 NFT hoodies? Also, H&M has a new store in the metaverse. Or do they? After, Walmart greeters might be greeting you on your way into the metaverse. Walmart files for trademarks signaling interest in cryptocurrencies and NFTs. But not before digital tennis makes digital history, as the first digital tennis tournament inside the metaverse has been announced. And that's right, you can play in it. But first, what do Kim Kardashian, Floyd Mayweather, and Paul Pierce all have in common? Being sued, of course, for promoting the notorious pump and dump behind Emax token. It's all coming up this week on the Crypto Plug News. Kim Kardashian is in hot water after promoting Emax token, an altcoin many consider the face of a massive pump and dump scheme. A pump and dump, of course, being when an asset's chief owners artificially pump its price, then dump it. Decrypt reports the reality star took to Instagram June of 2021, lauding Emax and subsequently, due to her large platform, bringing it to the attention of 1 in 3 crypto owners. Also named in the suit are boxer Floyd Mayweather, who wore an Emax shirt to a Bitcoin event, and former professional basketball player Paul Pierce, who tweeted about the coin. All endorsed Emax, which within weeks of their endorsements dropped over 97% in value to $0.0000017 a coin. Maybe next time people should trust a more reliable reality star with their investments, like Flava Flav or Joe Exotic. Next up, paying real prices for unreal land in the metaverse, we go to Just Sanchez for some fundamental analysis on the land grab in the virtual worlds. Just? Thanks, Ben. It does seem like a booming housing market for fake houses, Ben. According to CNBC, property prices in the metaverse rose 500% since Facebook announced Meta, Ben. Just astounding. Just astounding. Yes, Ben, and if demand continues to rise as it has, according to Grayscale, in the very near future, the metaverse and an industry could very possibly be worth $1 trillion, Ben. A trillion? Ben, it's no surprise that people are spending a lot of money on virtual land like a new homeowner who paid $450,000 big ones to live next door to Snoop Dogg in the Sandbox, Ben. The rapper? Snoop Doggy Dogg, Ben. Unreal. Yes, unreal, very unreal, Ben. And it doesn't stop with hip-hop celebrities. For example, one asset management company, Tokens.com, recently paid almost $2.5 million to acquire land in the metaverse. Wow! While a real estate development company, Republic Realm, Ben, paid $4.3 million for a slice of land in Sandbox. Next to Snoop Dogg? No, not that I know of, Ben. One last question, Just. How much would you pay to live next door to me in the metaverse? Well, Ben, it's pretty simple, Ben. You're priceless, Ben. So money holds no bounds, Ben. Thank you, Just. Thank you. For our next story, Want to spend crypto on WeChat? You got it. Thanks to Chinese government's recent deal with the country's largest messaging app, the over 1 billion users of WeChat can now use the digital yuan to pay for cabs, order takeout, buy clothes, shop online, or simply send the currency to each other. It's one more major step in the transitioning that cryptocurrency is taking from a speculative asset to a bona fide retail currency. Up next, looks like a game changer entering the NFT marketplace arena, but also looks like a potential scam? Cointelegraph reports, LooksRare recorded a trading volume of 394 million within 3 days of its debut. But how? Thanks to its policy of charging 2% fees on basic sales and 0% fees on private sales. That's how. OpenSea, by comparison, charges 2.5% for all transactions. Certainly, its trading incentivizer awarding native Looks tokens for buying and selling NFTs didn't hurt. But are these trades genuine, or no pun intended, looking like a wash? Wash is meaning market manipulation suggesting more genuine trading activity than there actually is. According to Decrypt, it's both. While most trades thus far are genuine, one NFT reportedly sold for 50 million twice between the same two wallets, meaning 100 million in two trades with no price action, meaning a bunch of looks reward tokens rewarded. Whether a wash or not, one thing is certain: NFTs are in and inner than ever. For evidence, look no further than Gap announcing its sale of NFT hoodies built on the Tezos blockchain tied to real hoodies built with fabric. As detailed by The Verge, price points for the tokens/threads vary, ranging from roughly $8 to $400, but all share the same designer, Frank Ape creator Brandon Signs, and the same non-fungible rarity. Next up, rumors surround a possible H&M store in the metaverse, but are they true or quite the dare of a bold trickster? Forbes reports, earlier this month, rumors surfaced that H&M partnered with VR company Seek to build a 3D shopping experience in the virtual world. While it's true Seek tweeted a preview of an H&M meta store hoping to court the brand, it turned out the collab was as unreal as the virtual world it would inhabit. H&M ultimately tweeted, quote, "We'd like to confirm that H&M is not opening a store in the metaverse at this time. We are also not collaborating with Seek," end quote, proving not everything you read in the real world about the fake world is real itself. For our next story, it seems Walmart greeters will be welcoming you into the metaverse. According to CNBC, Walmart filed several trademarks indicating the development of its own NFTs and cryptocurrency. The company looks to produce virtual electronics, home decors, toys, and other goods, and is quoted as continuously exploring how emerging technologies may shape future shopping experiences. The big box retailer joins Nike, Adidas, Urban Outfitters, Ralph Lauren, and other brands in testing out the NFT space in the metaverse. And now, for our final story, is your tennis serve in the real world good enough for the virtual one? Tennis champ Stan Wawrinka's Ballman's project aims to make NF tennis pros of us all when we return.
This program is brought to you by CRC Digital Asset Group, a group that focuses on bridging your daily experience to the future of digital finance.
And we're back. For our final story, we turn again to Just Sanchez for some fundamental analysis on this collision of tennis and tokens. Just?
Hi Ben. Yes, the two are indeed colliding, as Stan Wawrinka is set to release 5,555 tennis player NFTs, Ben.
Intriguing, just intriguing.
See, Ben, and for some technical perspective on this venture between pro tennis and ETH tokens, I've asked Clarence Kenneth Lawrence Richardson III to join us, Ben, who I might add is a bit of a tennis player himself, Ben.
Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Clarence, I didn't know you played tennis.
Well, Benjamin, I won the Greater Long Island Regional Amateur Single Tournament twice before I busted my knee sometime back in the day, Benjamin. So I'm looking forward to seeing how my topspin holds up in Ballman's Meta Stadium. My virtual topspin, that is, Benjamin.
Wow, I wasn't aware we had such a talent in our CryptoPlugNews team. So how exactly does this all work?
Well, it's all pretty simple, Benjamin. You need one of the 5,555 NFTs to enter the tournament. It's in my Google Calendar for February the 7th when the NFTs go on sale. The name of the NFT is Buy Tennis NFT. That's what it says. I'm going to own both an NFT and the competition, Benjamin.
Well, you're the last person I expected to be the first person I knew to do this, Clarence.
Expect the unexpected, Benjamin. That's an important unwritten rule of tennis. You never know where the ball will land. For example, I don't know what kind of random talents, techniques, conditioning my Ballman Project NFT will have. I do know my talents in real tennis were my backhand and sportsmanship, Benjamin, before my knee injury. In any case, in Ballman's Meta Stadium, I'll progress through weekly tournaments, winning ether along the way. The more I win, the more valuable my NFT becomes.
Wow, very interesting. Well, okay, Clarence, the best of luck to you. And thanks to you both for the insights. For our last order of business tonight, we now turn to ASAP, our man on the street, for another exciting episode of Do You Know Dat Coin, Special NFT Edition, where we ask random people on the street what, if any, they know about NFTs. ASAP.
Thank you, Ben. And we're here at the iconic Union Square in New York City to ask people if they know anything, if any, anything at all about NFTs. Here we go. Here we go. Excuse me. Do you own an NFT?
No, actually I don't.
Do you know what an NFT is?
Yeah, it's those artists that they make like pay for like thousands of dollars on a digital, drawings and stuff.
Yeah. All right. And let me ask you something. Would you pay thousands of dollars for digital swag?
Honestly, nah, it's not really worth it because I feel like anyone can be swagging their own way without money or with money.
All right. Thank you.
Nope, you're welcome.
Excuse me.
Yo,
Do you own any NFTs?
Do I own any? I heard of NFTs, man, but I don't have any NFTs, man.
You don't own any?
I don't own any.
Okay. Well, let me ask you this. Would you pay $2,000 for digital swag?
For digital swag?
Yeah, like digital shoes, like virtual shoes.
I mean, absolutely, especially if it's gonna flip,
Okay. Let me ask you this. If I was an NFT, would you buy me?
I mean, it depends on how much you cost,
A lot.
A lot.
It's gonna be a lot. Thank you.
Yo, for sure, bro.
Well, we breaking it down here in Union Square, Ben. Back to you.
Thank you, ASAP, and a special shout out to Rich Flores for winning the $100 in Bitcoin from our previous episode. Well, that about wraps it up for this week's episode of the Crypto Plug News. Good night, everybody.